Good day, ma'am. My name is Benny Villabausa Jr. from Black L, and this is my reaction video for the TAS Legal Compliance in Action. For this reaction video, I chose Facebook Coverage Analytica case. Real life example where a large company faced serious legal challenges because of failure in IT compliance and data privacy protection. In case summary, in 2018, it was discovered that Cambridge Analytica, a political consulting firm, collected personal data from around 87 million Facebook users without their permission. This happened through a seemingly harmless personality quiz app, but behind the scene, the app collected private information not only from the users, but also from their Facebook friends. Facebook allowed third-party developers to access this data without proper monitoring, which led to a major privacy breach. Because of this, Facebook faced intense legal investigation, and the U.S. Federal Trade Commission fined the company $5 billion for failing to protect user information. And then, the legal issues involved. The case involved several major IT compliance issues. Number one, violation of data privacy laws. Facebook did not secure user consent, which broke privacy regulations like the FTC Act and later the GDPR. Number two, unauthorized access. Third-party app could access user information without strict controls. Number three, weak security and oversight. Facebook failed to monitor how developers use collected data. Number four, lack of transparency. Users were not informed about how their data was being used for political targeting. These issues highlights the importance of strong IT security, transparency, and compliance policies. And my personal reaction for this topic, for me, this case shows how powerful and dangerous technology can be when companies fail to follow laws and ethical standards. As an IT student, I realized three things. First, companies must protect user data at all costs. Personal information is sensitive and mishandling it can affect millions of people. Second, compliance is not optional. Facebook is one of the biggest tech companies in the world, yet they still paid billion in fines because they did not follow privacy rules. This proves that no company is above the law. Third, this case is a reminder for us future IT professionals. We should always prioritize security, transparency, and respect for users' privacy. In any system we build, even a small mistake in coding or policy can lead to huge consequences. The case made me more aware of the importance of ethical decision making in IT. It is not just about creating systems, it is about protecting people. Then, for my conclusion, in conclusion, the Facebook Cambridge Analytica scandal is a perfect example of why legal compliance in IT is essential. It teaches us the companies must handle data responsibly, follow privacy laws, and be transparent with all users. As a future IT professionals, this case motivates me to always uphold strong ethical standard and ensure that technology is used to protect people, not to exploit them. So, yun lamang po ma'am. Thank you for watching my reaction video.